We offer microblading powder ombre style eyebrows, eyeliner, which is the eyelash enhancer, and basic eyeliner. Our outline curriculum includes OSHA, color theory, hands-on clinic, and legal documents. You can count on our world-recognized curriculum and award-winning educators to provide the knowledge that is required to enhance and restore a person's natural inner and outer beauty through the art of micropigmentation and paramedical tattooing. We're here to service and support you through our educational process. With unsurpassed knowledge and clinical skills in our micropigmentation industry, our team of experts at Nouveau Hawaii Academy are dedicated to you and your education.